Jess, hey. Yeah, it's good to hear from you. I didn't think you'd call.
Yeah, well, neither did I, to be honest. Guess we're both full of surprises. So what are you up to?
Did you hear about the missing kid? I'm joining the search.
Oh, wow. Okay. You think that's a good idea?
Why wouldn't it be?
You know why? You know what? Never mind. You're right. Maybe I shouldn't have called.
No, Jess, wait. No, I'm glad you did. Listen, I'm almost there. I'll call you later, okay?
All right. Just be careful.
Come on, Bullet. Let's see if we can find a way to contact Sheriff Lanning. Well, looks like they've started without us, huh? All right, let's get moving. Let's find this kid. He's been through enough already. Sorry, Anthony. First come, first served. Yeah, I'll call Lanning once I'm in the forest. They came well prepared. Oh, looks like they have the whole forest covered. You found something, buddy? We're not leaving that laying around, right, boy? What is this? A photo? What the hell? Come on, Bullet. Let's go find this kid. No point in waiting any longer. Let's call landing. Ellis to base. Did you copy?
Ellis, what are you doing out here?
Joining the search party.
Ellis, if you think you got some obligation to be here, you don't. I mean, I know it's his brother and all.
Sir, I'm here to help. That's all there is to it. Bullet's with me. If he catches the scent, he'll lead us straight to the kid.
You got a point there. You think you're up for it? Your, health issues, they're not gonna be a problem?
Sir, I'm not gonna screw this up. Not this time.
Well, all right then. Just stay in the rear. Make sure we haven't missed anything.
Roger that. Over and out. Well, time to get to work. Heel! Come on, look around, boy. Yeah, lead on, buddy. We're looking for Peter, not the search party, buddy. Yeah, good dog.
He thinks he saw something. It's probably just a raccoon, but, yeah.
I told you it was not a raccoon.
Great, a bear then.
Bullet! Okay, seek.
We're, done checking the bridge. Nothing here. Ow! Fucking brambles! You guys know these woods are cursed, right? You don't leave by nightfall, you might not leave at all. Then let's find that kid and get out of here. Now cut the chatter and focus on the search.
Yep, there was a raccoon.
Well, you did say I'd call.
Our area is clear. Good job.
You got nothing?
Wow, did you guys see that old tree? Gives me the creeps.
You know, back during the Revolutionary War, there was this witch. She'd kidnap the local children, suck on their blood and whatnot. When they finally caught her, they hanged her on one of those trees.
Ingram, do you ever shut up?
Check the hill, Ingram. Got it.
Is it even possible for a kid to get this far?
check.
Hey, Jess, I got your message.
Hey, I'm glad you called. How's the search going?
Yeah, well, not much luck so far. But hey, at least Bullet's happy we're out of the house. And, Jess,
Yeah?
I'm sorry about earlier. You know how important this is to me.
I know, just... don't shut me out, Ellis. Believe it or not, I'm on your side. Always have been.
Yeah. Thanks, Jess.
And call me if things get rough, okay? I'll be here.
Will do. Another one. Wonder who those people are. Come on, look around, boy. Come on, bring it to me, boy. What'd you find? Let me see. Good boy. Leave it, buddy. Now's not the time. Baltimore crows. That's Peter's cap. Good boy. We need to hurry. Can you follow the scent? Come on, buddy. Sniff. Attaboy, go get it. Ellis to base. I found Peter's cap.
You did? Well, great job, Ellis. Just stay where you are. We'll join up with you and keep searching from there.
Negative. Bullet picked up a scent. I'm not risking him losing it. I'll keep you posted. Over and out. Bullet, wait up! Shit! God damn it! Bullet, get back up there. Bullet! Where are you, buddy? Where the hell is he? No, not now. Come on, get a grip, Ellis. We've gotten this far. Not giving up now. Okay, calm down, Ellis. Everything's fine. It's all in your head. Oh, well. Yeah, look who decided to show up. Don't leave me like this, okay, buddy? I can't be alone out here. What is it, boy? Did you find something? Ah, so we're still on Peter's trail. Good. Yeah, lead on, buddy. Hey, Jess.
Ellis? Is everything all right? You don't sound so hot.
No, I'm fine. It's, under control.
It doesn't sound like it. Ellis, maybe you should...
No, I said I'm fine!
Yeah, of course you are.
Now listen, I think I saw something. I gotta go. I'll call you later. I'm sorry, Jess. Aren't you a handsome boy? You'd think poachers would be too scared to work in these parts. Is that a campsite? Looks pretty beat up, but yeah, I think it still works.
Ellis, maybe you should...
No, I'm fine. I'll deal with it. I just need a little more time.
Ellis, what you need is help.
I could have managed.
Ellis, I can't do this anymore.
What? What is it this time? What, I wasn't smiling enough? Didn't say I love you for 5 fucking minutes?
Jesus Christ, Ellis. Do you even hear yourself?
Yeah, I can hear myself just fine. And I can see the way you look at me. Like I'm a fucking loser. You're a sick little puppy for you to look after. Oh, why, Alice?
Get over yourself, Ellis. Be a man for once.
Oh, yeah, there it is.
There it is. I hope you can figure it out, Ellis. I hope you can finally forgive yourself. I tried to help you, but I just can't be around you anymore.
Go ahead. Get out. Leave me the fuck alone. Come on, be a man.
Ellis, you got my message.
You, wanted to see me, sir?
Better yet, I want to introduce you to someone. Bullet, meet your new partner. He's been through a lot, just like you.
What? Sir, I can't.
Oh, you got something else going on right now? Just take the damn dog, Ellis.
Yeah, yes, sir. Did I pass out? Boy? Oh, shit! It's pitch black. Oh, I must have blacked out for hours. This thing again. Oh, no, it's a different one. Someone had too much time on their hands. How did it end up back here? There's a tape inside. Might as well see what's on it. There's still some leftovers inside. Maybe a few days old. FM 2176. Field manual. Great. First it's witches and curses, and now what? A commando? The hell? This wasn't here a minute ago, right, buddy? This tape. Did it just... No, that's not possible. Get it together, Ellis. It's probably Peter's. Maybe Bullet can catch a scent. Come here, boy. You know what to do, buddy. Just like in training. Good boy. Now, you'd do great on the force if you weren't so stubborn. What's the matter, buddy? It's okay, buddy. It's all gone. See? Come here, boy. Bullet! Bullet, search! Still on track, buddy? Good boy. I should check what this is about.
Base to Ellis, come in.
Go ahead.
Go ahead. God damn it, Ellis. I've been trying to reach you for hours. First the kid, and now you. It's like the only thing I do is chase after whoever walks into this goddamn forest. Where the hell are you?
We went down a ravine and headed north, up to an old campsite.
Wait, what? We went through that area. We didn't find any campsite.
Well, you didn't find Peter's cap either. Listen, we're still on the trail. We'll keep moving north.
For Christ's sake, Ellis, stop playing a hero. Just sit your ass down till we find you.
Emmett, just find the campsite and head north. I'll look for a landmark, something to point you in the right direction.
Ellis.
I'll keep you posted. Over and out. Stay close, Bullet. here, boy. Go get it, Bullet.
How many years has it been?
4.
4? Whoa. Living off the grid, huh?
I like the quiet.
Oh, you're in a charming mood today.
You dragged me out in the middle of the night to play search and rescue. What mood would you want me to be in?
Oh, not so much this. Why are you recording this anyway?
Bullet! Yeah, good dog. Hey, buddy, what's wrong? Better now, Bullet? Bullet, what's wrong? Work, damn it! Get a grip, Ellis. It's just a tree. Ellis to base. Near a dead white tree.
First I've...
Oh, great. He found a tree in a forest. Sheriff, this is a joke. I came here to look for a kid, not this moron.
That's enough, Spencer.
Yeah, that's enough. I'm going home.
Keep us posted, Ellis. Over and out.
Come on, Bullet.
Phase to Ellis. I think we found the ravine you were talking about. Any updates on your side?
Yeah, actually, you know if anyone's ever done any construction work out here?
Like what?
Like reinforced concrete, foundations, or trenches?
Trenches? Well, there hasn't been any military presence in these parts since the Civil War. Ellis, are you sure?
I know what I'm seeing, Lanning.
All right. It's just... Yeah, we're gonna look for that campsite and the trenches, or whatever they are. Over and out.
I guess we're not gonna find out. Not what I'd expect in the middle of the forest. Then again, I wouldn't expect reinforced concrete either. A candy wrapper? Really? Come on, Bullet, you can do better than that. Go on, see if you can find something else. Good boy. Now show me. There you go, buddy. Yeah, this is much better. Let's see. Wait, is that... It's Peter.
I think I didn't see that, Peter. Ballsy move, kid. You think I'd... I didn't see that, Peter.
Ellis to base. Peter didn't run away. He was kidnapped. I found a tape. It shows the man who did it.
What? How do you... Wait, a tape? In the middle of the forest? Ellis, are you serious?
Yeah, those tapes, they make things appear, but there's no time landing. We have to find the kid. He's in serious danger.
Ellis, even if that's true, I can't let you go alone.
We don't have much choice. Look, I won't do anything stupid. I'm just gonna find him and wait for you to catch up. Over and out.
No, Ellis, wait! God damn it!
Ballsy move, kid. Move, kid. Ball...
There it is. Come here, boy. Come on, boy. Peter's in danger, and we're the only ones who can help him. That's it. Take me to it. The video was shot around here somewhere. Go get it! You sure this is the right way, buddy? Are we walking in circles, Bullet? Bullet! Where are you, buddy? Come on, boy. Don't make me chase you. Bullet! Bullet, where are you? What the hell? What was that thing? Yeah, good dog. Heel! Ellis to base. Emmett, I just wanted to say, yeah, I know I screwed up, and I'm sorry.
I told you already, Ellis. What's done is done. No point in dwelling on the past. You found the kid's cap, you're still in one piece. And hey, at least we still got radio contact. All in all, could have been much worse.
Yeah. Yeah, you're right. Thanks, Emmett. Over and out.
They think I don't know. But I see them. I see them. Whenever I wake them up, they stare at me. They follow me. The light keeps them away. Keeps me safe. Need to hold on to the light.
Heel! See if you can find something, buddy. What is it, boy? Huh? What is it, boy? Bullet, seek. Come here, boy. Okay, seek. Heal! Bullet! Heal! Bullet! In this tree. Seems familiar somehow.